welcome to Carol's Current Obsession. Today we're going to talk about how to use this pearl riveter. It's really fun. You can do a lot of things with it. Some people call it a glorified blinger or bejeweler. It's pretty much like that. I'm going to show you a little dress that I made for Blythe size doll body. Okay, this is just your regular tool, and let's have a look and see underneath. You see how flat that turns out? That's very good. There's no snagging or anything. You can attach it to tulle, cotton, even a crochet. See here, I've put it on this crocheted little sweater and it works just fine. I don't know if you can see where it's attached in there. Okay, it works really well. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, I'll put the link for this down below. I got the one that came with several different sizes of this right here. I don't know what it's called, but there's several different sizes of this, and it came with these and all of these. Okay, these are the different sizes of pearls that it will use or work with. These are the different dies, or I don't know what they're called, but anyway, the ends, and you can see where the pearl fits in it. So these are, whoops, see there. Now these pearls are all no hole pearls, okay, and this is the other little end. The piece. It's a 4-pronged little rivet. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to work it. Okay, so I'm using the 6mm end right here, and you take your pearl and fit it into the little silicone end, and then you put your little rivet with the pokey sides up right into this little hole. So I don't know if you can see that, but the rivet's right in there. Okay, then you take your fabric and stick it where you want the the pearl to go, and push down on the top. Okay, so you push down on the top, and then you pull this really good. Squeeze it really good. Okay, and out pops our little riveted pearl. You can see from the back it sticks in there pretty good. Alright, now you can do this on cotton as well. I'll show you with cotton. Let's stick one in here. Okay, and fit a little rivet in the bottom. They're tiny. Okay, and put our fabric down wherever we want it to go. Press down on the top. Okay, make sure it's where you want it. And then pull this hard. The handle goes real hard. Okay, sometimes it sticks in the little hole, and sometimes it doesn't. Okay, and there you go. It's a nice flat application. Okay, and you can change this out to be different sizes. If you want to use a different sized end, you just change it out. You gotta hold down this side. Oh, sorry, it's not very good. There we go. You have to hold this tight. Hold the top tight while you're doing that. Okay, just unscrew it and screw the other one in. Screw a new size in, and then hold this tight while you're doing it. Okay. Okay. Make sure your little rubber ring is back down, and you're ready to go for some more. Okay, ready to go. Alright, and that's just all how you use it. It's not very difficult. These are some other pearls that I got from another seller, and they're very pretty as well. Very nice selection. Did not come with the little rivets, but those are very inexpensive to purchase. And I think I got enough here. Alright, I sure hope that helps you in your buying and decorating, and thanks again for stopping by. Like and subscribe. Bye!